Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here you just see me taking a whole chicken out of the bag. I am going to wash it. I'm not going to wash it first. I'm going to cut it down first, but I am going to end up washing it before I cook it. So guys, from this whole chicken, I'm going to make chicken salad and chicken stock and roasted chicken quarters with chicken wings as well. Y'all, that blood started running. I said, I got to clean that up. So y'all had to clean that up quickly, honey. My kitchen is small, but I still get the cooking. I still make it do what it do in there, baby, okay? So as you can see, I cut those quarters up. Really, when you cut a chicken down, you cut it into 8 pieces, 2 thighs, 2 legs, 2 breasts, 2 wings. I kept the quarters because I like leg quarters, so I kept my leg and thigh attached. I took out the backbone, took the wings off because the backbone and the bones from the back of the breast, that's what I'm going to use for my stock. And I'm just filleting these breasts off. I'm filleting these breasts because the breast is what I'm going to use for my chicken salad. And this was a beautiful chicken. It was a nice size. It was plump. It was juicy. So this was a beautiful chicken my neighbor gave me. I really appreciate that. And I'm putting all that in the bowl because I'm going to wash all of that at one time. Because, like I said, that's what I'm going to end up roasting in the oven. That temptation dish that you see over there with the green peppers, carrots, onions, and sweet peppers and garlic. That's what's going to go in the oven. See the breast? I threw one breast in there. That's what's going to I'm gonna make that the chicken salad. Those 2 breasts that I'm taking off of that chicken that I'm filleting off. And what's on the cutting board, what's left, that's what's gonna be chicken stock. No waste, honey. So look, I washed it off. I put it in the temptation dish. I'm seasoning it with seasoning salt, garlic powder. Like I said, I have my vegetables in there. That McCormick grilled chicken seasoning, yes, honey, yes, it's very good. And I'm also going to do black pepper. You have to always do black pepper in everything that you eat because not only is it good, tastes good, but it's good for you as well. The Goya, something new I'm trying, the Goya. I like it. And I'm just massaging. I'm massaging that skin, that meat, because I don't want to just bite into the chicken and eat good skin. I want to eat good meat as well. So I'm massaging all of that. And you can see the carrots, the onions, and everything. This chicken, y'all, was so good. Don't worry about what I put in there. It's beef stock. That's extra goodness, y'all. I am the stock queen because stocks is what make your roast. It makes it really good. And I do a lot of roasts. Beef roast. I roast chicken. I do lamb roast. Y'all, the roast is a good stock that makes a good roast. And as you can see, I'm just putting some more onions and sweet peppers on top, a little bit more seasoning salt, and then that goes in the oven. Now, here's my chicken stock. You can see the chicken in there, the water, a little bit of fat. Just for good measure, I squeezed some lemon juice on it. I also squeezed some lemon juice over that chicken I put in the oven as well. The Goya seasoning is going into that pot. This pot has to be flavorful because your stock, you want a flavorful stock. So in order to have a flavorful stock, you have to season that water. You got to season that water. And of course, Tabitha seasoning, turmeric, all of that is going in there. This is going to make a rich, flavorful stock that you can freeze and use for anything. And y'all, I roasted the chicken. I'm just pouring that juice over it, basting it. And y'all, it gets darker. Look at that. Look at that roast. I roasted it uncovered, 350, 2 hours, and then took it out. And I just basted it every 30 minutes. A nice baste on it. That skin was so good. The whole chicken was good, honestly. Back to my stock. Look how that cooked down nicely. And y'all, this is the finished product. Very good.